What up, YouTube? This is me, Cody, and Marcy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing the shock test again, and it's a lot worse now. Like, it hurts really bad. And I'm gonna do it between my arms, right here. Wish me luck. I'm gonna cry.
He's going down.
Cover my mouth as I start screaming. Play some music. Not that loud. Turn it down. Just kidding. Second level, right now. Second level. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought.
You'll start
I
finding
know.
out the third,
Trust me.
no, the sixth. Yeah, the sixth level sucks.
I'm scared. Change the song. This isn't a good song to be shocked to.
Fourth.
It's about to be. I thought that was gonna be it.
Oh my god, that hurts!
Oh my god, that hurts so bad!
No, wait till the fifth and the sixth.
Oh god, that hurts so bad! Oh god!
The fifth.
Oh my god!
Keep on. The fifth. Wait till the sixth. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. I'm sweating now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't ever do that.